As I mentioned, Grass America has a long history here in Kernersville, and now it's really exciting that we're ready to go for the next step in our future. This expansion of 73,000 square feet will increase both the capacity and the capability of our manufacturing in the United States. We look forward to providing our customers with additional product produced right here in Kernersville, North Carolina.
Congratulations on this expansion. It's going to do wonders for this community.
And thank you for celebrating this exciting moment of breaking ground for this new building today.
Thanks a lot to the team, and let's go for the next steps and for a good future.
This is a great company. You've been here for a long time, and you've been quality the whole way, and this community appreciates you.